Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home. Today we are going to learn mathematics of class 5, chapter 8 and the name of the chapter is decimal. So let's start our session. As we have studied the meanings of decimals, the way to write them, and also their addition and subtraction in class 4. We will first revise the same before proceeding further. Now, what is the meaning of decimal? So, a decimal is another way of expressing a fraction. A decimal is another way of expressing a fraction. Let us take an example. Say we took one whole pizza. Now, divide this pizza into 10 equal parts. Here each part will represent as a fraction. Represent as a fraction. And in decimal it can be written as 0.1. 0.1 and read as 0.1. Now see the next example. Let us now divide a whole square into 10 equal parts. So here, out of 10 parts, 3 parts have been set. So in a decimal, it can be written as 0.3 and read as 0.3. Now, what is decimal point? Now, see the next example. Now, what is this? This is decimal point. Now, what is decimal point? The dot or the point between the two digits is called the decimal point. Now 100. Let us now divide a whole into 100 equal parts. Here 23 parts out of 100 equal parts have been set. So in fraction it can be written as 0.23 and read as 0.23. Remember one thing, if in place of 0.23, if you will read 0.23, then your answer will be wrong. Numbers of digits after the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. This part is said to be what? Decimal places. Number of digits after the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. This one is said to be what? After the decimal, the number is said to be what? Decimal places. And this point is said to be what? Decimal point. This point separates whole number and decimal places. Okay? And before the decimal point, this number is said to be what? Whole number. Clear? So a decimal number has two parts. The whole number part and the decimal part, separated by a decimal point. As for example, here you can say, now this part before the decimal point, this part is said to be what? Whole number part, that is greater than 1. And this point is said to be what? Decimal point. And after the decimal point, number is said to be what? Decimal places, which is less than 1. In this example, you can see that there are 2 decimal places after the whole number part. Wherever there is no whole number part, do not forget to write 0 before the decimal point. For example, 0.13. Remember one thing, whenever there is no whole number part, do not forget to write 0 before the decimal point. As for example, 0.13. As you can see, any whole number part is there? No. So this can be written as 0.13. Now 1000. If we divide one whole into 1000 equal parts, then each part of the whole represents 1000, thus 1 by 1000. That is equal to 0.001 or 1000. Or it can be read as 0.001. The number of digits after the decimal point in the decimal numeral is equal to the number of zeros after 1 in the denominator of the corresponding common fraction. As you can see here, after 1, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Yes or no? So in decimal, after decimal, there should be 3 digits. Okay? Place value and decimal. By using the place value chart, we can write the expanded form of any decimal number. Take the number. Now, in expanded form, it can be written as, this part can be written as 100 plus 70 plus 8. Okay? Now, after decimal, the number can be written as 3 by 10 plus 4 can be written as 4 by 100, and then 5 can be written as 5 by 1000. It is in fractional form. Now in decimal form, it can be written as, this number will be same. This number can be written as, although it is divided by 10, it can be written as 0.3 plus, this can be written as 0.04 plus, and this can be written as 0.005, and this is a decimal form. So now it is clear. Now converting fractions to decimals. Fractions whose denominator are 10, 100 or 1000 can be easily converted to decimals by putting the decimal point in the numerator accordingly. For example, 2 by 10. In decimal, it can be written as 0.2. Now, if the denominator is 10, number of decimal places will be 1. If the denominator is 100, number of decimal places will be 2. If the denominator is 1000, number of decimal places will be 3. Okay? For fractions which can be converted to equivalent fractions having denominators 10 or multiples of 10, we can apply the same method. For example, 1 by 2. So you need to convert, first you need to convert the denominator equals to 10. Now 2 how many times 10? So 2 5 times 10. Okay? So 1 5 times 5. Now the denominator is 10. This fraction can be written as 0.5. Okay? As in the denominator, after 1, how many zeros? 1 0. So after decimal, 1 digit. Clear? Similarly, a mixed fraction 2 3 by 5, it can be written as 2 plus 3 by 5. Clear? Now you have to make this denominator equals to 10. So 2 plus 5 how many times equals to 10? 2 times. So 5 into 2 and 3 into 2. Now 2 plus 6 by 10. Okay? Now this can be written in decimal form. This can be written as, in decimal form this can be written as 0.6. So 2 plus 0.6 equals to 2.6. As in the denominator you can see, after 1, how many zeros? 1 zero. So after decimal, how many digits? 1 digit. Clear? Decimal can also be converted to fraction as for example 0.36. Okay? 0.36. In fraction it can be written as 36 by 100. Now why it is divided by 100? Why the denominator is 100? See, after decimal, how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. It means divided by 100. Okay? So this can be reduced to simplest form. See, divide both the number with the same number. Divide both dividend and divisor by 4. So you'll get 9 by 25. Now equivalent decimals. Decimals that name the same amount are called equivalent decimals. As you can see, these two pictures name the same amount. So 0.7 equals to 0.70. 7/10 can be written in fraction as 7 by 10. And 70 by 100 can be written as 70 by 100. And this in decimals it can be written 0.7, and this can be written as 0.70. Thus 0.7 equals to 0.70 equals to 0.700 equals to 0.7000, and so on. This shows that writing zeros at the right hand end of a decimal number does not change its value. Now, like decimals and unlike decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 2.5, 0.8, 9.1. After decimal, one decimal places. Here also, after decimal, one decimal places. Here also, after decimal, one decimal places. So these decimal number are called like decimals. Decimals having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 1 by 2, 4.05, 0.876 are all unlike decimals. Remember one thing, unlike decimals can be converted to like decimals by finding their equivalent decimals. For example, convert these decimals into like decimals. So first, what you need to do, find the greatest number of decimal places. That is, how many decimal places? The greatest number of decimal places is 3. So you need to convert all of them to equivalent decimals with 3 decimal places. So this number can be written as 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, and this one 3 decimal places. Thus 6.8, 7.83, 12.040. When converted to like decimal, it can be written as 6.800, 7.830, 12.040. Clear? Comparing and ordering decimals. To compare decimal numbers, follow the following steps. First step, convert to like decimals. Second step, first compare the whole number part. Step 2, first compare the whole number part. The number with the greater whole number part is greater. Step 3, if the whole number parts are the same, compare the 10th digit, the decimal number having greater 10th digit, name a greater number. Step 4, if the 10th digit are the same, compare the 100th digit and so on. As for example, as the whole number part been the same, as you can see the whole number part, here it is 4 and here also 4, means same. So we start comparing the digits from the 10. You can see that so we start comparing the digits from the 10. As you can see in the 10th place, here it is 7. And here also in the 10th place, here it is 7. Means same. Then you move to the 100th place. Here it is 1 and here it is 3. Now as 3 is greater than 1, then 4.730 is greater than 4.712. Clear? See, this one same, this one also same, this part is different. Okay? So, which one is greater? 3 is greater or 1 is greater? So, 3 is greater. Yes or no? So this decimal number is the greater one.